I can often hold a standard kitchen match to my water, and like I said, it is unpredictable, but the methane randomly travels with the water, and sometimes it will light quite spectacularly. Just like that.
Now, Chesapeake is going to say, well, there's natural occurring methane in the wells already. What do you have? What's your reply to a comment like that?
My reply is that their post-fracking test, their own, the methane tested 0.01 milligrams per liter, and since July of 2010, it has tested as high as 64.
As you can see, fracking is becoming extremely dangerous to us and our health. For some that don't know what hydraulic fracturing is, also known as fracking, it's when very harmful fluid is drilled into the ground with lots of high pressure to fracture shale rock to release the natural gas. It takes 1 to 8 million gallons of water to complete one fracking job, or each fracking job. Remember, the harmful fluid is mentioned. They use 40,000 gallons of it each fracking job. To me, that's just crazy. In that fracking fluid, there are 600 chemicals. They are all very harmful to our environment and to us and our health. There are chemicals that can cause cancer in the fluid that they use to fracture the shale rock to release the natural gas. Only 30 to 50% of the fluid is used. And then the rest of it, they just leave there, like on the ground. And it's still there, we can still ingest it, and it can get into our earth and harm our groundwater. Gas companies think it's totally okay to frack and harm our water and to harm our health. And they think it's okay that our water is polluted and that people can drink it. They think it's totally okay. During the process, methane gas and toxic chemicals leak out from the system and contaminate nearby groundwater. People and animals have been becoming sicker because of these conditions, and the government doesn't want to hear about it. There have been over 1,000 documented cases of water contamination next to areas of gas drilling. People and animals have been becoming sicker because of these conditions, and the government doesn't want to hear about it. There have been over 1,000 documented cases of water contamination next to areas of gas drilling, as well as cases of sensory like your nose, your taste, respiratory, neurological damage due to the ingested contaminated water. So all I'm trying to say is that fracking is absolutely horrible for our environment and for us, and I think that we need to make a pledge to really stop this, get the government known that it needs to stop. We need to have a lot of people to be against.